This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, okay, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you'd think with all this, what's going on here in the world today, that it would be rallying up high, but obviously it's just kind of sideways action here. But let's look at the daily here. Okay, so we had a low here, basically of 1900, and then we had 1913, a higher low, and then we had this candle right here, which was 1921, which is a higher low. So that's a very, very good bullish pattern here. Now, to the upside here, what we want to do is we need to get above this key 50 SMA here, okay? So that basically is sitting at 1954. If you can get above that, then we can come to this 100-day at 1964 here. Then we can go to the candle right here, which is basically 1972. And then we have 1974. We have 1977. And then your big retest there is going to be your 1980. Okay, so that is what your upside. Now, on your downside, you want to watch this key 21-day, 1946. You want to watch this 8 SMA here, 1942, and then 1932 here on your 200-day. Now, even if it comes down and you sell down to that 200-day, that is still intact of your higher lows here. Okay, so that's very good. Now, what you need to do is got to close above this 1980 level. Now, if it does, then we just start hitting these candles right here, okay? So then you got 1992 here. We have 2000. We have 2004. And then we have 2010. And then you have your big retest up here at 2022, okay? So that is key level here. If you can break above this 1980, then you have plenty of room to move higher here. So if you look on here on a weekly chart here, this 8-day here is sitting at 1949, and then we have your 21-day at 1961. And then again, as you come all the way up here to these targets here, right up here, all these candles here, there's that 2022 right there. Then we can just start moving right to the left of this chart here and work your way up here to the 2085. However, right now we just have a nice sideways action. The easy way to trade this is how I do is with the GLD, easy in, easy out. If you're going to go on the long side here. So right now you still have a good bullish pattern. You really just need to close above this 1980 to go higher on the downside. Watch the key 21 here, your 8 SMA here, and then this 200 SMA here, and then your big retest at 1913. All right, let's take a look here at silver. Okay, here we have silver. Well, we pretty much have, it's a very similar pattern here, okay, with your series of higher lows here. Which is very, very good here. So, your low right there was 22.14. And then we had right here, you had 22.26, which is a nice higher low. And then this candle right here, okay, 22.55. So that's always a very bullish pattern. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is watch this 200, 23.59, and then you have 23.82. And then you have your 50-day at 23.90, and your 100-day is sitting right there at 92. Again, if it can get above all this key resistance here, then we start coming up to this candle right on here, okay? So then you have 24.43 here, and then we'll come up to here. You have 24.65, and you have 25.06. Then what we have here is you got 25.22, and then your retest, 25.42. Okay. Now, again, if you can get above that, then there's your target right here at 26.43. Okay. So on a weekly here, you can see how it is a little bit clearer. But again, if you can get above that key level right there, and then you got a good shot here at this 27.49. But right now here, you got pretty much the same pattern, just a trading rate. As you can see how it rose up here, and you got a high here, and then you put in this candle right here. Basically, what you had is a double top situation. Anytime you get that, you either want to sell or you want to short. and then it sold on down. But it made a series of nice higher lows here, which is very good, which tells me that eventually this is going to go and retest this. And again, if you can close above that, then there's your target at 26.43. Above that, your 27.49. Now, on the downside here, always watch this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 23.28 here. Then we come down to this candle here. You're looking at 23.02. Then we have 22.91, and then watch that key level right there at 22.55. If that's lost, then we just come back to this candle here, 22.26, and then your retest there at 22.14. But right now, this just looks, this way this pattern is set up, it just looks higher. It just has to get through all these key SMAs here for a shot back up to 25.42. Okay, thanks for watching.